purple color, parrot color, pink color, yellow color. Now we write alphabet A to Z. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for candy. D. D for duck. D. D for duck. E. E for eagle. F. F for flower. F. F for flower. G. G for glass. G for glass. H. H for hat. I. I for iron. I for iron. J. J for jacket. K. K for kite. L. L for lamp. M. M for mouse. M for mouse. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for pigeon. Q. Q for quilt. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tree. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for York. Z. Z for zoo. Now we revise A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.